Hi everyone, Yap here. So in our previous lesson, we have talked to you about sending the pro script and verify the status of the replication. Okay, so now let's go back here and check. Okay, so we have checked. Data replication status is already healthy now, right? So means all the things have been replicated from the source to destination, right? So let's go back here and check. So you can see the replication status is already completed. It will be like a long log lah. You keep on verify, okay, until it had completed. Okay, so completed means the replication status is healthy now, right? So let's go back. So today we will talk about to validate the launch template. Okay, and this is to make sure the launch template is ready for the cutover lah, right? So this one will check the subnet, the security code, everything, the setting and the launch template is correct, okay, before we launch the cutover, right? So to do this is a different method. Okay, we will go to the wave here. Okay, wave 1. Okay, action, rehost, MGN. Okay, action we will be validate the launch template. Okay, and then we will select for the all application. Okay, submit. So now you will begin to validate the launch template. Okay, so launch template validated for all server in this wave, means it's ready to be cut over, right? So actually I'm not sure we can see. Let's see. Okay, I think that's it. It's okay. So after you have done the validation, what we do previously is we go to here and then we launch the test instance. After done, we mark it as ready for cutover, right? So this today we will skip the testing step lah. Okay, we will directly to mark it as ready to cutover because we already validate the launch template, right? So and this one is just for testing, right? So we will just mark it as ready to cover. Okay, and then we need to make sure the replication is healthy lah before we mark it as ready to cover, as I show you just now. So it's healthy. Just refresh. Okay, so it's healthy. Alright, so next we will do mark as ready to cut over, and then we will shut down the server lah. We will mark as ready to cut over first. So the conventional way is to go here, then you click, then this one, mark as ready to cut over lah. But now since we are using this one, we will just use the automation method. I think the jump host a bit slow, sorry. Okay, run automation. Sorry, it's over here. Everything you done at the MGN you need to do at the wave there. This one is the automation, right? Sorry. If let's say you want to trigger anything from the MGN, you need to go to the wave one, then you go to action. Why so slow? Okay, rehost. Sorry, the jump host is a bit slow. MGN. Okay, so here we will mark it as ready to cover, so you can see all the things we can do at the MGN. Okay, here we can do it at the migration factory as well, right? So we will mark it as ready to cover the application. We will select all. Okay, then we submit. Okay, so it's already marked as ready to cover, right? Then this one is now it's ready for testing. When I refresh, let's see. So ready to cover, already done there lah, right? So everything regarding the migration actually can done at the migration factory. It have the MGN embedded in, right? Okay, cloud and deal will be outdated soon, so just leave it there. Okay, and next, after we mark ready to cover, then we will need to do the shutdown, right? Shutdown at the source first. Okay, the reason we are going to shut down at the source is because we don't want any data replicated over to this Linux and cause some issue, right? So we shut down the source server first. So if let's say you want to shut down by sequence, let's say you want to shut down your apps, then only CLDB you need to manually shut it down. For the testing purpose, we have the automation tools to shut down all the server all together at once, right? If let's say the development server you don't care, you can just use the automation to shut down, right? So everything can be done here. Just go to the job, then run automation, shut down source server. Okay, the same thing again, and this one shut down also. So Linux secret with name with 1, then submit. Okay, so let us just put the timer up and see how long will it take. Okay, so we will need to see now it's shutting down, right? Let's go here and see. So remember our source server is at the Oregon region, so we change to Oregon. So let's see the instance. It's still running. Okay, and we see the log. Already done. Just now I see that. Let's see. I think it's is it? Okay, I think haven't reflected yet. Let's see. It's stopping the server, do you see? Right? All the Linux server here. Okay. All the CMF. Okay, stop. 1, 2, 3. I think one more is press. This one, I think off in face. This one haven't yet. Okay, after shutdown, we will launch the Cutover instance, right? So basically, it's the same thing. Okay, so let's see. Why this? Okay, it's stopping. May take some time. I think this one is the biggest server, the web. Not sure lah, because just now got one server taking very long time. yeah, this web server is taking very long time. Alright, so you can see the replication status is having the lagging, okay, because the server is already shut down. So you need to make sure all the server is already stopped. Okay, then you can go in here and then go to the wave. Okay, wave 1. Then you choose rehost MGN. Then you can launch the Cutover instance, right? All the application. Then you submit. Okay. So okay, already done. Launch the Cutover instance. Okay, so let's see from here. Refresh. So this one is done, already stopped. So we go to the North Virginia and see whether the cutover in progress. See that? Okay. So remember previously I talked about the replication server. This is the replication server is automatically created when you put some agent on the source server, right? So during I think got one phase check the MGN. When this one you're checking the prerequisite, you can just put in the replication server creator over here. Over here. Right, you can just put in the IP. You can just put in this IP. Alright. Okay, because this one is automatically created, easier for you. Right, let's say you have another wave like the wave 2, the Microsoft server, right? Let's refresh and see the instance already up already. I think it takes some times. Okay, this one source server already stopped because cutover is in progress, right? So this is the status when you launch the cutover instance, right? So you have the job ID here, you can click inside and see. Okay, start taking snapshot. Okay, so now because the source server, I say I don't want any data flow, so we shut down first, and then we will launch the cutover. We will start taking snapshot for all the source server. All right, so actually it's actually replicate in real time, so the delta change may not be that big lah, right? And we just done the first initial sync, right? Let's see. Still running, should be. Okay, we may still need some time for this. Okay, and then I think that's it for today while I waiting for the snapshot, or maybe I just wait because I already start the timer. Let's see how long it takes to actually complete the things right? So this one I think we cannot see it from here already. This one is just launch. Okay, so if let's say from the wave here you want to see because we're using the MGN action, right? On the wave 1, because we're using the rehost and then MGN, right? So we cannot see any log from here. If let's say you using the job and then you run automation, you can see the log, right? So if you want to see the MGN action, you need to see it here. Okay, remember last time we also have in the application migration, everything we see from the job ID, right? So the migration factory actually just trigger the API to launch this job job ID, job log, right? So let's refresh and see how long it takes to actually cut over the migration from shutdown until it's completely cut over. It should not take that long. Cowway progress. Launch Cowway instance started. Okay, let's just wait. It's having issue. Stop this. Okay, start converting. I think it failed to take the session. I'm not sure why. Okay, never mind. I think it's starting the conversion. Okay, as you can see, the conversion so is running now. Alright. So it still takes some time. Okay, I think it will be quite a long time it will take. So maybe I will just stop here first and see. I will keep you posted on my next lesson on how long will it take to cover, right? So I think that's it for today. If you like my video, you can support me by subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.